Hello, how are you? Okay, so now we will see how to add these product options to get extra information from the customer according to our needs. So first we need to go to dashboard, and we will hover on the products, and we will click on the extra product options. And as you can see, I have already made these three. I will delete it and make it again so I can show you how we can make it. Okay, so we will start with the add field, and we will select what field we need. Like for example, we need to uh, get a file like photo, logo, or anything, and we will write a name here, logo or photo. So we will type the title that will show on the product page, photo upload here. Okay, so if we want to make it required, so we will click on this, and this should be enabled, and these are the file types that this will accept. And if we want to set a price for this is not, there is no need, but it is optional. If you want to set price, then you can percentage of the product price, like increase the value. And there are the display rules that will help to show this field on the product page. Let's start with it. There are two options, like we can set on individual product and we can set on the whole category. Let's start with the category equals to, and for example, I want to show this on all products that are in the category of woodwork. Okay, so let's close, save and close. Okay, this is saying name ID must be begin with the lowercase and no special characters. Okay, I will name it logo. This is just for us and the backend, and this will not show to customers. So we can write anything. Okay, so it's saved. We will go to our page, refresh it. Okay, we didn't select this category, so it is not showing. We selected the woodwork, so we will go to woodwork and select a preview a product, and you can see upload photo here field is available, so we can upload the photo and we can start buying it. I hope this helps. Thank you so much.